Did you know that tomatoes could be one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet? Packed with powerful antioxidants, they offer impressive health benefits. But there are a few things to watch out for. In today's video, we'll break down the benefits, potential risks, and best ways to enjoy tomatoes. And at the end, I'll share a quick recipe you'll love. Let's start with why tomatoes are considered a superfood. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body fight off colds and infections. They're also loaded with potassium, a mineral that's essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. One of the unique benefits of tomatoes is that they're high in an antioxidant called lycopene, which gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene is known to reduce the risk of heart disease and may even help protect against certain types of cancer, especially prostate cancer. Tomatoes are also low in calories and high in water content, which makes them a great choice for anyone looking to stay hydrated and support weight loss. The fiber in tomatoes aids in digestion, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. While tomatoes offer great benefits, they're not for everyone. One of the main concerns is that tomatoes are quite acidic, which can cause discomfort for people with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs. If you have acid reflux, you might need to limit your tomato intake or opt for less acidic varieties, like yellow tomatoes. Tomatoes are also a common allergen. While true tomato allergies are rare, some people experience oral allergy symptoms like itching or swelling in the mouth after eating raw tomatoes. Cooking tomatoes can sometimes reduce these reactions. Lastly, canned tomatoes often contain added salt or preservatives, which can counteract the health benefits. If you're using canned tomatoes, look for low-sodium options without added ingredients. So, how can you make the most of tomatoes in your diet? Here are some quick tips. First, cook your tomatoes. Cooking releases more lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb this powerful antioxidant. Try roasting, grilling, or even making a tomato sauce. Second, pair tomatoes with a healthy fat, like olive oil. Lycopene is fat-soluble, so combining tomatoes with fats helps increase the absorption of this nutrient. Finally, go for fresh, whole tomatoes whenever possible, or choose canned tomatoes with no added salt if you're looking for convenience. In summary, tomatoes are a fantastic source of vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration. They support heart health, immune function, and digestion, but it's best to be mindful if you have acid sensitivity or are prone to allergies. How do you like to eat your tomatoes? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick and healthy recipe. Try a simple tomato salad with sliced tomatoes, fresh basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Perfect for a refreshing, nutrient-packed side dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time!